Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your file extensions not showing in your PC or laptop or any other Windows. So this method works with any other Windows as well, like Windows 10 or 8 or 8.1 or Windows 7 as well. So you can try this on any Windows you have currently. Right now I'm on Windows 11, so I'll show you how to do this on Windows 11, but don't worry, this will work on any other Windows as well. So let's get started. In order to do this, what you have to do is press Windows plus R, and once you do this, this run dialog box would be opened. You just have to type control folders and click OK. Once you do this, this file explorer options dialog box would be opened in front of you. Just click on view, and then you have to search for hide extensions for known file types. Just uncheck this and click on apply. Once you do this, as you can see, this .png is shown here, the file extension is shown here. If I do this again, if I check this box again and click apply, now the .png extension has been hidden. So make sure just uncheck this and click apply, and as you can see, this is available again. So yeah, this is how you can do this, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.